Hi, everybody. It's CryptoBirb Adrian speaking, and today I have for you kind of like a short analysis of Bitcoin and my explanation for why I think that $46,000 might be one of the most important levels for Bitcoin. I'm going to explain exactly why I think that once this level is cleared, the new all-time highs for Bitcoin can come in. Stay tuned. Let's go. So to let you know, we have been definitely struggling a lot to bring some price action that is really worth a trust for Bitcoin since the crash happened. Okay, ever since the crash happened and we saw the top to the bottom drawdown more than 50% for Bitcoin, more than 60% for Ethereum, more than 60% also for Litecoin. Some insane sales, insane discounts on the market. We have been staying in some sort of like a PTSD environment, unsafe PTSD environment for Bitcoin, for altcoins. A lot of traders got shaken out. A lot of traders go literally wipe out with their liquidated positions because of their over leveraged kind of like entries. They literally got, either literally scared to death or wiped out of the market with the recent liquidations rally. Okay, with the recent dump that literally just ended half of the market. Okay, so why I think $46,000 is one of the most important levels for Bitcoin? Well, this is the answer. $46,000 is the level for this very trend line, the view up trend line, volume weighted average price trend line, which is the second kind of like resistance, most important resistance after this one was cleared. Okay, we have two view up trend lines, volume weighted average price trend lines. That one of them, that all of them apply volume into overall understanding and evaluations for the average, for definition for the average price for Bitcoin is. And we have two of them that play the most crucial role based on the Burbicator Pro, which is my personalized trading system. Okay, and first of all, you have the lower trend line view up and the upper view up trend line. Okay, and you can tell easily that this kind of like a lower one got broken and successfully reclaimed with daily close above. Okay, which means that the intraday price action, the overall sentiment of short-term traders actually brings the consensus more on the bullish side. Okay, especially after this buy signal appeared for the first time while crossing through the baseline, through the hybrid average. That is the crucial element of the BPRO trading system. Okay, you can tell that the first view up trend line got broken, and when the first view up trend line got broken, it means that the next resistance is coming with the upper one. Okay, so the upper one is going to tell you and perfectly align with the set of resistances. Okay, you can tell that the resistance is pretty much like coming from the prior price action that it used to serve as a support and then it flipped kind of like as a resistance. So if we draw a support line, okay, that used to work as a support over here, over this area, kind of like once broken, it means that it was supposed to be kind of like significant technical resistance for the traders. So once this $43,000 level is kind of like broken and reclaimed with the daily close through, okay, then you can tell that $46,000 is going to be the next resistance that that would count much for Bitcoin. And once this is cleared, okay, you can tell that most of the volume, the average price based on accounting the volume, is actually coming with two levels, 46 and about $40,000. Okay. I should say 39, 38, something like this. Especially with the 37s, the buy signal, and here on the daily close. Okay, you can tell that here is where the sellers are sitting. Here is where the kind of like the biggest supply cluster, resistance cluster occurs. And once this one is cleared, once we see a weekly close over that level, okay, it's not going to be the weekly close just over the trend line, but it's going to be a weekly close over the most significant supports as well. Well, the levels that used to work as supports, but now flip to the resistance. So it aligns well for the overall very strong, thick resistance layer. Once this thick resistance layer is cleared, then sky is the limit. Okay, there's going to be nothing pretty much like stopping it. Well, here from $46,000 up to in my guess, $56,000. Okay, we would once again visit this high area, where a lot of fake outs was happening, like the fake out in here, then another fake out in here. Okay, lots of fake outs over $58,000. So you have two kind of like main layers, okay, and thin air between. So here is the one, 36, or sorry, should I say 38 up to 46. okay, with the stop at 32.3 for the view up, for the not view up, but for the weighted average price for view up, especially Barbicator Pro weighted average price. And then once this is cleared, okay, once this layer is cleared, we could see practically new all-time highs coming and making this entire kind of like a breakdown that many people would think it's at the end of the bull market. This could potentially create and bring us, well, nothing but big signal that the bull market is about to resume, okay? Because bull market has not been disrupted, the top is not in. We have seen already such, deviations of the longer term trends. I remember discussing that with the people arguing that because the other day the 200 week MA 200 week average was broken here. People argued that the bull market is over. Okay, I kept repeating that it's not over, that it was not over, that it was just a deviation. And similarly, I considered that over leveraged, overextended to the downside sell-off. Well timed with the FOD, with the overall FOD from the China bond, from the Russia bond, from Elon Musk, of course, and all of it. That I consider that only major deviation. This is not how the bull market tops look like, in my opinion, especially for crypto. Okay, so knowing that, again, once the main important levels of $46,000 is cleared, we could see potential rally towards new all-time highs easily. Okay, especially that for the first time ever since the 2018-19 reversal. Okay, and then September, October of 2019, we are seeing full reset of the trend, full reset of the momentum per the Barbicator. By the way, this is an open indicator, Barbicator. It's called Barbicator. You can get it on TradingView for free. It's open. Go ahead and pick it and download, apply it. Okay, only 3 times in the recent history on the 2018 Bitcoin bottom reversal of the bear market. Okay, when the bear market ended, on the area from $4,000 to $8,000. Okay, you could see the second time that the full weekly reset of the momentum of the trend came in, and this is the third time it has happened in the past years. Well, if you ask me, this provides you with insane buying opportunity, and the more people fear on the market, the more encouraging for the institutional buyers it is. And on top of that, you could see Elon Musk additionally just repeating that that Tesla sold only 10% of the holdings to confirm BTC could be liquidated easily without moving market. And when there is confirmation of reasonable, which is around approximately 50% clean energy users by miners with positive future trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions. So that is what defines bullishness back on the track, guys, in my opinion. Go ahead, and I hope you enjoy this short update from me. I really hope you guys find value in that, and I really hope you're going to subscribe to this very channel if you enjoyed this and want me to continue putting brand new content for you. Go ahead, and if you are not a member of the Birb Nest, go ahead to the www.thebirdnest.com. Go for the free trial, 7 days free, and enjoy exclusive content. And guys, if you're watching that on YouTube, make sure to subscribe, put your thumbs up, leave a comment if you want to know more. Ask me and I'll be there to answer all of your questions. Stay safe, guys. Cheers. Bye-bye.